why would you make somebody else feel bad about the standards they have for themselves? It's because you feel certain type of way that they feel so confident about themselves, or so good about themselves, or have this high standard about themselves, that you have to degrade them to make yourself feel better. You know, I just didn't understand why she had to say it, but I understood where it came from. Because if you don't feel like you deserve if you don't feel like you deserve to have a good relationship, you're not gonna attract good relationships.